welcome back to another video. So I'm just gonna, where's my pen? Hang on. I'm just gonna show you a few bits that I've picked up. It's not a lot, but I want to get it put away, and some of it's quite cute. So I'm gonna start first with AliExpress. I've wanted some of these for ages, but I've got the wrong ones. I've been seeing these everywhere, and they're just tiny little flowers, all different colours. But if you look in the bottom, they come with caviar beads. And I thought these were mixed sizes, but they're not. They're all the same size, and they're just small. Sorry about the glare. Yeah, they're just small ones. So I have just been on and ordered myself another pot, a proper pot this time, with all different sizes and colours. But I like them. They're cute, and I'll use them. And this is why I'm showing you these today, because I want to use these in a set of nails, actually. I've just stopped recording some nails because I want to use these, but I really like them and I've seen them everywhere and I love them. Loads of different colours though, and I think they were £1.50 or something daft. So yeah, got them anyway. Got some stickers, and they came with a free gift. Little piece of foil, a little teeny piece of foil, but it's cute, I like it. So that was a free gift. So I'll take them out the bags because I'm going to need to take them out the bags to put them in my folders anyway. Wait to see these guys. How cute are they? Look, Louis Vuitton, Chanel. How cool are these? I love these. Like these old school kind of stamps, I love them. Oh, we've got Nike, I didn't see that. Wow, aren't they cool? I really like them. Love this, so cute. So we got them ones. And then we've got these ones. Look at that, leaning on the Chanel. Aren't they cool, guys? Oh, I love this one where they're sat back to back. Some really cool ones, isn't there? Yeah, and these are stickers, they're not decals. Which is fantastic, makes it even easier, doesn't it? Cool. And then lastly, I've got these ones. I really like these, I think they're so cool. If you look at this one closely, it's got the American flag on that side of the Louis Vuitton, and this side looks like it might be no, because it's got green. I'm not sure. I like that. Oh look, how cute is that? I really like them. So yeah, I got them. They're off AliExpress. Right, also off AliExpress, I got these. How cool are these? I have already got these big ones, but I wanted the small ones, and I couldn't find the small ones anywhere on their own. Now, I'm really happy with these little bears. The little bears, they're quite cool. And you can see the Gucci pattern on them. But the bunny wabbits are not too clever. These pale ones are actually not too bad, the pale ones. But if you look at these darker ones, they're a bit pants. They're a bit tatty looking. You can't really see the pattern on them like you can with the light ones. It's a bit mushed up, wishy-washy, isn't it? But I still like them, they're cute. And then yeah, we've got the bigger ones, bunnies and bears, and then it comes with 2 magnetic pom-poms. So it's got a magnet there, look. So you would put that magnet on, stick that magnet onto your nail, and then put your pom-pom on. So if you're washing the dishes or getting in the shower, you can take your pom-pom off. So that's quite cute. I haven't got pom-poms in this colour either, so I'm definitely going to do a set with them. Definitely. Oh, perfect. With these stickers, look. These ones, same colour. Perfect. Then I ordered these months ago because I wanted these to do an Easter bunny set I wanted to do an Easter Bunny fluffy set. I wanted the pink and the grey, but Easter's well gone now. And it's just flocking powder. Fuzzy stuff, whatever you call it. Let me get one out. Yeah, it's just fluff. You can sprinkle it into a base coat or something, and it makes your nail fluffy. Oh gosh, that's stuck everywhere now. I did already have one, but mine, the one I had was bright pink. But I'm really happy because there's no doubles. There's no bright pink in there, so that turned out alright. 12 colours. So they'll have to keep till next year. And I'll do a fluffy bunny rabbit set next year. Cool, I like them. Right, and lastly, I've got a couple of bits from Amazon, but lastly, off AliExpress. Oh my gosh, guys. Wait and see these glitters. They are stunning. Right, so firstly, we've got this one. I'm going to really struggle to show you these. Look at this, guys. These are like chameleon, but they're new, different kind of chameleons. They've got amazing colour shifts. So yeah, it's like a hex mix, and this is like a pinky purple, and it's got like a golden shift. Absolutely amazing colours, they really are. Absolutely beautiful. So me, Cammy and Joe, because these collections from Colours World, they're quite expensive to buy. So me, Joe and Cammy, look at that! We all chipped in and bought them and split them. Oh my gosh, these are stunning. So there's this one that's like a purple with a pinky colour shift. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, these are going to be stunning. And then we've got this one, it's like a copper colour, but it's got a, oh my gosh, look at the colour shifts on these. They're absolutely amazing. They're nothing like the regular chameleons that came out a few years ago. These are something else. And then we've got another kind of, this is like yellow gold, but then it's got like a burnt orange red shift. And can you see the purple shift as well? Are these crazy or what, guys? And this one, oh my days, look at that. Look at the colours coming out of that. Green, orange, red, purple, pink. Oh my gosh. How do they make this stuff? Look at it. How do they make this stuff? This one, like a pinky purple. This has got that ultraviolet blue going through it. And then it's got like a slate grey green. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. And then this one, oh my god. So this is like blue, peachy pink, coral green. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And lastly, this is my favourite one. This is amazing. So this has got every colour going through it. So the actual hex itself is one colour, like one shade, believe it or not. This is not a multi-mix of different colours. It's just that it's got that many colour shifts. It looks like it's a mixed bag. Look at that, like a black and a purple and a pink, green, silver. Oh my gosh. Are they amazing or what? Absolutely amazing set of glitters they are. So how many was in that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there was 8 in that collection. I will leave the link below. I think you have to buy them in 10-gram bags. You have to buy the full collection. But if you've got someone, you can chip in and go halves. Absolutely fantastic collection of glitters to have. They are stunning. They really are. Right, let's get on with it. So this last couple of bits is what I've got off Amazon. I have already swatched one of these, I think, because I had to do a review on it for my Amazon Vine, but I'm going to show you. So this is one of them solid cream gel palettes. Choo-choo. So let me show you this. Right, so this comes with a cute little brush. Look! Yeah, this is off Amazon. I'll leave links below. It's quite quirky, actually. How can I get it out? Look at this little brush. Choo-choo, and it's branded. And it's just a little brush, look. Like that. So you do end up with a full-size brush. Nice and compact. These are brilliant to take on holidays. These little things. Now this is a proper eyeshadow palette. It's got a mirror in there and everything. But I don't want you to see my ugly mush on the mirror. So I need to be careful how I do this. Look at that. Look at them colours. So we've got... yeah, I've done this purple one. So look at this bright coral red. It's really nice. A nude pink, lavender. That is a deep plum. You're going to struggle to see it, but it's a deep plum. And then we've got like a metallic red. This is a shimmery gold. And this is like a holographic gold with hex in it. Isn't that cute? But yeah, look, it's got a mirror in it like a proper eyeshadow. Isn't that crazy? But yeah, I am not showing you my face. Isn't that cool though? You really don't get a lot. Look how narrow it is. You really don't get a lot. But I think it was only a few quid. But like I said, they're cool to take on holiday, I think. Cute. Right, and lastly, off Amazon, I got myself a decent cuticle pusher, scraper. I've got a few, but I've never got myself a decent one. All the ones I use are what come free in all these kits and stuff. I've never actually got myself a proper one. So this is the brand there, Rikens, and it's a really good sharp little cuticle pusher. It's really long as well, but it's got a really good scraper. I haven't got one that's this shape, and I saw this and I thought, yeah, I really like the look of that. And it's really sharp and you can get into the corners. Yeah, I really like the shape of that. Like I said, I haven't got one that shape, so I'm really happy with that. It feels really good quality as well. I like it. Right, lastly, off Amazon, I got myself some gems. So these are glass. Let me open it. Yes, these are glass, so it comes with some tweezers and a little wonky wax picker. So we've got, so these are AB. These ones have got solid bottom. They're not see-through. Whereas these ones have got no bottom on them, so they're completely see-through. All different sizes. Again, all different sizes. Yeah, they are glass. I've never used these, and I've got quite a lot. Should try them, see what they look like. I do use AB crystals a lot. And this one has got all different colours. Again, these are glass, so we've got light green and dark green, light blue and dark blue, and then we've got a black and a red. They're quite cool, aren't they? Nice and sparkly. I like that colour green. It's like an olive colour, isn't it? And then we've got the dark emerald. Light blue. I like this dark blue as well. It's like electric blue. Red. Yeah, I like them. I like them. And they're glass as well. I won't buy plastic crystals no more. Oh, yeah, quickly, one last thing I got off Amazon. Might as well show you this. I got this brand, SNTL. I think it's meant to be essential, isn't it? So I thought I'd try their acetone nail prep. The last nail prep I got was this one. It comes in a spray bottle. This one comes in a spray bottle. And since I've stopped using the pump bottles and gone on to a spray bottle, it's lasting so much longer. The pump bottles, when you pump it, it pumps out so much more than I need, and I waste a lot. So yeah, it's lasted a lot longer, so I thought I'd try this brand this time. So I got the big acetone, nail prep and polish wipe. And I also got, actually these two came together, nail gel remover, because it says it removes gel polish, acrylic, tips and glues. Because I've started using a lot of the full cover tips with the glue gels. So I thought I'd try that instead of acetone. And it's got a fruity smell, which I like. So yeah, they came together. The acetone was separate. And I got myself a separate slip solution. Because I use alcohol a lot of the time. And it can break your polygel down. My alcohol at the minute is a big bottle. And it's 90%. It's a bit strong. So yeah, I tried that. I've got that to try, should I say. I've not tried it yet. But that's it for today, guys. Just wanted to show you a few boring... No, they're not boring, actually. Them glitters are stunning. Can't wait to use these and my Mickey stickers. And my little charms. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. Just a quick one. We can get all this put away now. I will leave all links below. As always, if I forget any or miss any, just let me know and I'll grab them for you. But yeah, that's it. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.